Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Potensic Atom is probably one of the most exciting drones to hit the market recently, offering a compelling blend of features and affordability. Today, we're diving deep into the Potensic Atom, exploring its capabilities, from its impressive 4K camera to its user-friendly design. We'll be taking a look at its flight performance, the quality of the footage it captures, and whether it lives up to the hype. Number 5. Holy Stone HS210 Blue Mini Drone. This drone is designed for fun. It can perform cool tricks like toss to launch and 3D flips. The speed is adjustable, so it's perfect for all skill levels. It's easy to fly with features like altitude hold, which keeps it steady. Headless mode makes controlling it simple, no matter which way you're facing. This makes it great for beginners. You get up to 21 minutes of flight time with the included batteries. You won't have to worry about running out of power quickly. Plus, a low battery alarm will let you know when it's time to land. Take this drone anywhere. It's small and easy to carry, making it perfect for parties, trips, or just playing in the park. It's a fantastic gift for kids and friends. Safety is a priority. The propellers are protected by guards, keeping kids safe and preventing damage to the drone itself. What we like. This drone is designed for maximum fun, with features like toss to launch and 3D flips that will keep kids entertained. It also comes with multiple batteries, ensuring more playtime and less waiting for charging. If you're looking for a great gift to keep the kids engaged and entertained, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The drone is very easy to fly. The video quality is excellent. The drone is very stable in the air. Number 4. Holy Stone HS724K UHD GPS Drone. This drone features an optimized full HD camera with a shock absorption holder. It captures high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. The adjustable lens allows you to see the world from various perspectives. Never worry about losing the drone. It automatically returns when the battery is low or the signal is lost. It can also follow you, fly along a set path, or circle a point, letting you focus on your photography. It comes with 2 intelligent batteries, each providing 26 minutes of flight time. The brushless motors offer lower power consumption and quieter flights. The foldable design and carrying case make it easy to take it outdoors. Remember to only use the provided batteries. Equipped with multiple sensors, it ensures stable hovering and high-quality pictures. Functions like one-key start-stop and altitude hold make it easy to control, even for beginners. The 2.4 GHz transmitter has a control range of up to 3,000 feet. The LED screen displays battery level and GPS signal. A button controls the drone's light, and a right-hand throttle mode is available. Don't forget to remove the scratch-proof film before use. What we like. This drone boasts a stunning 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, allowing you to capture professional quality photos and videos. With GPS-assisted flight, it offers features like auto return and follow me, making it easy to operate. If you are a photography enthusiast or a content creator, this drone will elevate your aerial shots. What people say. Very easy to fly great pics. Your drone says flight time is 26 minutes. I flew it the first night for almost 25 minutes before I looked about empty. That is a very good selling feature also. The flight was very stable and I got my first in-flight video. Number 3. Holy Stone HS720E 4K Drone. This Holy Stone drone meets FAA requirements. You can easily ensure compliance by obtaining the remote ID module. Contact Holy Stone customer support for any questions about the module. The HS720E features a 4K camera with electric image stabilization, ensuring clear videos. The advanced Sony sensor elevates image quality, providing unmatched clarity compared to others in its class. Enjoy stable flights with the air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system. With GPS and auto return to home, you can explore confidently, knowing it will always return safely. The Fly More kit provides a total flight time of 46 minutes with 2 intelligent batteries. Spend more time flying and less time charging. A carrying bag is included for easy transport and storage. Enhance your videography with flight modes like Follow Me and Tap Fly. Watch it effortlessly navigate while you focus on capturing stunning shots and videos. Equipped with brushless motors, this drone ensures powerful, stable, and quiet flights. Experience the thrill without motor noise, while also benefiting from extended motor lifespan and minimal maintenance. What we like. This drone features a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a Sony sensor, ensuring crystal clear videos. It also offers an extended flight time with 2 batteries and whisper-quiet brushless motors. If you like smooth, stable footage and a quiet flying experience, this drone is ideal for you. What people say. The EIS function works great and the 4K images are beautiful. Flying is great. One feature that drove me to this drone was the controller. It has a built-in display with battery levels, GPS and signal strength. It can take a photo or video just using controller buttons, and that means if you want to just do a quick flight, you are good to go without the phone. The drone itself is built solid and very strong. Number 2. Holy Stone HS440 Drone with 1080p Camera. This drone features a 1080p HD camera with a 112 degrees wide-angle lens, adjustable up to 90 degrees. It allows you to capture breathtaking aerial scenery and record every memorable moment from above. Whether you're at the beach or a family gathering, it can handle it all. With the modular battery, you can enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time. This allows you to explore more of your surroundings and capture more footage on a single charge. The drone's foldable frame packs intuitive and advanced features. It provides complete freedom wherever you go. Plus, it comes with a carrying case for easy transportation. The HS440 is designed for ease of use with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering. One key high-speed rotation adds more fun. The sky is your playground with this drone. It's a must-have for beginners, with intelligent functions like emergency stop and headless mode. Its long flight time is perfect for practicing and mastering your skills. What we like. This drone is equipped with a 1080p HD camera and offers a long flight time with its modular battery. Its foldable design and carrying case make it incredibly portable. If you are a beginner looking for an easy-to-use drone that you can take anywhere, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to control, easy to learn and easy to fly. The remote control does a great job of changing the angle of the camera and it all functions great. The camera app was easy to download and figure out. It allows photos and video to be taken. Using my smartphone as the viewer helps a lot. Number 1. Holy Stone HS360S 4K GPS Drone Special Edition. Introducing the Holy Stone HS360S Special Edition, celebrating a decade of innovation. This drone features a unique gradient color scheme, making it stand out in the sky. It's a perfect way to commemorate our anniversary. This drone weighs only 249 g, so it meets FAA registration requirements. You can enjoy your flights without the hassle of remote ID. If you have any questions, our customer support team is here to help. Experience a superior transmission range with the HS360S. Thanks to 5G transmission technology, the connection is more reliable. You can fly with confidence, knowing it can go the distance. Capture stunning aerial footage with the 4K UHD camera. It offers high-resolution details and wide-angle shots. The 85-degree FOV lens and 90-degree adjustable camera give you a broad view of your memorable moments. The HS360S features precise GPS positioning for stable flight and a safe return home. This drone can automatically return to you when the battery is low or the connection is lost. Let it roam free and bring it back with ease. Designed for beginners, this drone offers simplified controls and safety features. Intelligent flight features like Follow Me mode and Tap Fly help you explore the fun of aerial filming. It's easy to learn and fun to fly. This 4K GPS camera drone folds up neatly and comes with a carry case. It's perfect for taking on your outdoor adventures. Take it with you wherever you go. What we like. This special edition drone features a vibrant design and a 4K UHD camera for capturing stunning aerial footage. It boasts an impressive 10,000 feet transmission range, ensuring a reliable connection. If you are looking for a high-performance drone with a unique look and extended range, this is the one for you. What people say. The drone is very easy to fly and the GPS works great. The video quality is excellent. The drone is very stable in the air. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.